Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Minnesota and looking for bird books or bird guide that tackles wild birds, birds in America, bird songs, and all information about birds? If you're a nature lover and want more information about birds in America, especially Minnesota, then the Birds Minnesota Field Guide 2nd edition will be the perfect product for you. This item is an easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in this book. This field guide will help you learn about and identify birds. This is prepared by Stan Tequila. This field guide is a great way for anyone to learn about the birds in the state of Minnesota. This is great for nature enthusiasts, bird lovers, adults, or kids. This item offers full-page color photos which are comparable and include insights of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. Now is the perfect time to get this field guide. Grab the Birds Minnesota Field Guide 2nd edition today at a very affordable price, and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Minnesota. Until next time, this is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds.